Here we go. Our learning target is I can find, let me change it, I can find the area of rectangles and rectilinear figures. One thing I want you to share today in group is who is your favorite superhero or favorite character from a book. My favorite superhero is Batman. Be ready to share yours at group. So let's take a look at finding area. We're going to come back to this figure in just a minute. So let's say that you have this rectangle here, and it says to find the area. They tell us the perimeter is 752 inches. So that can help us know what we have here. Because knowing that perimeter is all four sides added together, this is really going to be 367 plus, well, this isn't writing super well. Let me try it over here. So, what the heck, why isn't this working? $367 plus 367 plus, we can call it x plus x equals whatever. Now, just for the sake of time, let's pretend that the short side was 2. It's 2 inches. So to find the area, we would take 367 times 2, and that would give us our area. Now, we're going to look at that figure I was just showing you earlier. Oops, there it was. So now we have what's called a rectilinear figure. So what that means is it is composed of a number of adjacent rectangles. So this is a bunch of little rectangles in there. And they give us some side lengths, and there are several ways you can find the area of these. What I like to do is I like to find where those little rectangles are. So I wonder if I'll just let me draw this here. So I can go like that. So now what I've got is I've got a rectangle here, and I've got a rectangle here. I can find the area of this rectangle because this side is 6 and this is 7. So I know 6 times 7 is 42. So I can even write 42 right in there. So I know that this one is 42. Now I have to find this one. I know that this side is 3. I know that this side is 4, so 3 times 4 is 12. So I know one rectangle's area is 42. And then one is 12. So now, what I have to do next is I can add them together. So 42 plus 12, whoops, equals 50. Now there are other ways you could do this. Maybe you wanted to divide it this way, or maybe you even wanted to think about it more as just one big rectangle and then subtract what this would be. There are many different ways you can do that. Bring your math journal and a pencil to group, and we will practice finding area.